Hey there everyone, it's Tom Knotek with MarineMax Sail and Ski, and I am on a mission to bring y'all more boats that are available on the ground through our nationwide inventory. Today I've got a 2022 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. Yes, this boat is 13 feet when you measure it before the motor. So some people may call this a skiff boat. It's definitely a very stylish one at that. I honestly would probably call it like a commuter boat or a convenience boat. Some people utilize these types of boats to, more efficiently get across a lake if they have a larger boat that uses a lot more gas. But lots of different uses to these. Just a small little fishing boat could be. This one's got the Glacier green color on it, which I think looks really good, kind of a summer vibe to it. And this one has the chrome graphics with the silver model designator, which we'll see a better picture of that in a second. But going back to my point of this being a convenient boat, easy to tow. This one's got a galvanized trailer by Magic Tilt, and it's you may be able to go with the vehicle you have on it, which is always a nice thing in a boat like this. And just easier to maintain a boat like this, which is also a nice feature. This one's got a 40 horsepower best in class Mercury on it. This one doesn't have anything special on the seating. It's a pretty basic seating setup, so it look like this. You don't have any actual bucket seats or anything. It's a very small boat. One thing I do point out in this picture is they do have a nice telescoping ladder on the back here. And these aft swim platform pieces are new on this model, so something to look forward to. This one does have a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert, and I think I found a good picture to kind of show you that. So it's got that stainless steel insert and that bigger rub rail you can kind of see right there. This one has the dash applique, which I believe had a picture. Well, I can show you this one right here. So this is a picture of what you get. So instead of it being white behind the dash, you've got this kind of styly black, which goes really well with the steering wheel. So I think this is kind of a really cool look for this boat on the interior. But that's pretty much the way this one is set up right here. Other than the only other new feature I did want to go through is this front, it's a lock box. You can kind of put stuff in a storage area. This is a new piece to this boat. And then there is that silver model designator on the 130 Super Sport that looks real sharp. But if y'all have any questions on this boat, you need some pricing, you can reach out to me direct at 512-774-0866. Just trying to make sure everybody knows what's available out there. And if you want to go ahead and like this video, we greatly appreciate it, or give me a comment on what you'd like to see. And if you want to subscribe to MarineMax, you're guaranteed to get more boat industry content. I will catch y'all next time. Thanks for tuning in.